Dangerous crocodiles. Crocodiles can be very dangerous animals. Especially when they feel threatened or when they are hungry. Crocodiles are large, powerful predators. With sharp teeth and strong jaws that can crush bones. They are known to attack and kill animals as large as buffaloes and humans. If you encounter a crocodile in the wild, it's important to remember to stay calm and avoid making sudden movements. Crocodiles are sensitive to vibrations and movements, and sudden movements can trigger an attack. It's also important to stay a safe distance away from the crocodile. Do not approach or attempt to touch the animal. Even if it appears to be sleeping or motionless. Crocodiles can move very quickly, and can attack without warning. If you are in an area known to have crocodiles, it's best to stay alert and be cautious. Keep children and pets away from the water's edge, and avoid swimming or wading in areas where crocodiles are known to be present. In general, it's best to leave crocodiles alone and let them go about their business. If you see a crocodile that appears to be sick or injured, it's best to contact local authorities or wildlife experts who can safely handle the situation. Types of crocodile. There are three main species of crocodile. The saltwater crocodile. This is the largest of all living reptiles and can be found in the brackish and freshwater habitats of India. Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, and the Western Pacific Islands. Saltwater crocodiles are also known as estuarine crocodiles and can grow up to 23 feet in length and weigh up to 2,200 pounds. The Nile crocodile. This species is found throughout sub-Saharan Africa in rivers, lakes, and marshes. Nile crocodiles are the second largest species of crocodile and can grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh up to 1,650 pounds. The American crocodile. This species is found in the Americas, primarily in Central America. Northern South America, and the Caribbean. They prefer brackish or saltwater habitats and can also be found in freshwater rivers and lakes. American crocodiles are generally smaller than their African and Australian counterparts, with adults reaching up to 15 feet in length and weighing up to 1,000 pounds. There are also several other smaller species of crocodile, such as the Morelids crocodile, the Philippine crocodile, and the Cuban crocodile, among others. This was a small information of crocodile nature. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.